Imagine using gold bars as paperweights on your desk. Feels a bit too rich, right? Well, this looks exactly like one. So this box here has 3 gold bar paperweights inside. Let's quickly unbox it and see how convincing they actually look. Up close, the finishing looks good. It even says net weight is 1000 grams on the bar, which can easily fool anyone at first glance. But just to be clear, this is not real gold, and the actual weight is around 150 grams, which is still perfectly fine for holding papers in place. One thing to keep in mind though, these scratch easily. This third bar already has a small scratch out of the box, so you'll need to handle them with a bit of care. The real reason I bought these is for my video shoots. I use PVC background sheets and they tend to roll back up. This paperweight is flat, wide, and evenly balanced. It holds the PVC sheet down really well without creating bumps or shadows. For this use case, it works perfectly. You can definitely go for it, and I'll leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.